Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do a demo of how we can install an OpenClaw or a clawdbot or a moltbot on any machine. So there are three options basically how you can use OpenClaw. First option is you buy a Mac Mini that is separate from your regular machine, and you install on that. So you give the permissions to that machine only, and you don't give the access to your personal data or your personal files on your existing machine. The second option is installing that on a VPS and handle via that. But the third option that I'm going to talk about today is installing or using a virtual machine on your existing MacBook. So that way you don't have to buy a new Mac Mini, or you don't have to purchase a VPS if you don't have that with you. So we can test that out on our virtual machine, and if we think that that is helpful in our workflow, then we can buy a Mac Mini, or we can move the existing setup to a virtual machine, a VPS as well. So let's start with the installation process. First, what we are going to do is we are going to download this UTM application. This app basically allows us to download any kind of operating system, or basically it allows us to create a virtual machine on our existing Mac system. So I have already downloaded the app, so let me go to the downloads and let me just install that first. So I'm just going to install the UTM app. Okay, I think it's already done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the UTM application. So once you open the UTM application, it asks you to create a new virtual machine. So I'm not going to emulate, but I'm going to virtualize. So whatever architecture are there on your system, it uses that, so it's faster rather than like emulating the other environment. So I'm on currently macOS, and I am on the Mac Silicon. So I am on the M2 machine, so it will emulate the same architecture on my virtual machine as well. I'm giving the 4 megabytes of RAM, that is default, and I'm going to give 64. Make sure to select like at least 30 or 40 megabytes. I tried with 32 actually, and it did not work because it requires like a significant amount of storage, so you don't have that left with you, and you will have to do the entire thing again. So I'm going with 64-bit. I am naming that as a OpenClaw machine, and yeah, so this will take like a significant amount of time, like based on your internet connection it will take like 30 or 40 minutes, showing me 40 minutes. So we'll see, we'll come back once it is done. Yeah, guys can see the installation is complete. Now let's start the machine. So you can see it will start the brand new machine or a brand new macOS into our system. So we'll have to set it up from scratch. So we'll go through the steps very quickly. I think it's gonna take some time. You see the installation percentage is 0. We will resume once it's done. All right, as you can see, we would be able to set up our brand new machine. Let's click on continue. I'll select my language. Region, and I'll set it up as new because I don't have any backups. We'll click on continue. We'll not set it up for now. We'll continue to the setup. Okay, I'm gonna give this as my OpenClaw, and I'm going to give it a password. Yeah, and I don't want to sign in with my Apple account, but you can actually create a new account and sign in with that if you want to. All right, we'll set it up later. Let's agree to the terms and conditions. Will with continue without using location services, and let me just Mumbai, India here, and I don't want to sign. Okay. Alright, I think we are done with our setup. Yeah, when we are into our machine now, yeah, as you can see, it is up now. Let's open the Safari and let's go to OpenClaw website. Let's search for OpenClaw, and once you open the website, you will have this command which will install all the tools that you need. So I'm just gonna run this, copy this, and open the terminal, and we'll come back to the terminal and paste the command here. So now it's gonna start. You can see here it detected all these things are already installed, so it's not gonna install that, and it started installing the OpenClaw. It will take like a couple of minutes based on the internet speeds, and once it gets installed, you will get the prompt to set it up. So let's wait for it to get installed. It's installed now, and okay, now it's starting the setup prompt. So basically it gives us the security warning that you understand what you are doing and you are fine with that. So we are going to click on continue, and we are going to do click quick start. And for the model auth provider, I'm going to choose Google, and I'm going to go with Antigravity auth. Once you click on that, it will open that. I am already logged into my account. You can use multiple accounts to handle the rate limit. So I am using one of my accounts. I can close this and I can come back here, and you can see here it selected like all, and I'm gonna keep the CloudOpus 4.5 thinking as a default one. Now the next part is setting up the Telegram bot. So let's select the Telegram bot, and it's asked us for the bot token. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Telegram, and I'm going to go to the bot father, and if you go to the bot father, you can type in new bot, and it will ask for the bot's name. It needs to be unique, and once you give the unique username, it will give you this message, and this will contain your token that you need to paste it into the terminal. So I'm gonna do that now. So I'm pasting my Telegram token, and now it's asking me to set up the skills. So I'm gonna say yes. I'm going to use PNPM, and what skills I want to install. So maybe let's say I'm not going to set it up everything, but let's say maybe I'll skip it for now, and you can install it later. Okay, I don't have any keys for all these things, so I'm going to skip all of these. Okay, now it's installing the gateway service. A gateway is a dashboard from where you basically will control everything if you want to see it happening in the OpenClaw, what's happening. So it's installed now, and I'm gonna open the web UI. I don't want to. Okay, and I want to install the companion for ZS itself. Okay, all right, you can see we have running. Now let's go back to our Telegram and message to our bot. So I'm gonna say hi. It will say that you need to pair it up. So let's go to that and let's run the command. OpenClaw pairing approve telegram and my pairing code. Once you do that, you would see you are approved for my particular user ID. So I only can message to this particular bot, no one else can. And let's see what we get here if we send the message again. So you can see that it started typing and it started working. All right, so it says who am I and what I am setting it up for. So let's say you are Jarvis. I am Karan, a YouTuber and YouTuber aspiring content creator and a software engineer. So whatever I'm typing it here, it's gonna store that in the memory. He would create a profile for me. We can check that out. Okay. All right, so we are set for a please stay tuned to the channel. We are going to set up the mission control with OpenClaw, which is like a very advanced system where you can create multiple agents for you to do a dedicated task. So please stay tuned for that video. Thank you, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.